What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to switch states in Lassie Survival Shooter. So switching states in Lassie Survival Shooter is possible with your account here, but there are a few things that we need to understand. So how to exactly switch states here? Well, what we need to do is you want to go and click on your profile to top left of your screen, and you want to go ahead and click on the account button or section that you see at the bottom section of your screen. Click on account, and you should see the option here that says switch accounts or character management. Now you want to go and press on or click on character management, and you go and click on the create new character option here. Now if you click on this one, it should give you the option to switch states. Now it should show you if it's good or crowded, so you can go and select that state to create your character. Now if you try to select your already existing state, a character here, as you can see state, you won't have the option to change it. Now the thing with Lassie Survival Shooter here is you can create a new character in a new state, but if you already have an account that is on a specific state, you won't be able to move that to another state, because again it's a save or a save data here on that state, so you won't be able to move it. But you can create a new character on or a new account here on that specific state if you want to. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.